Chicken pot pie. Let's begin. Heat oil in a pan and fry the potatoes wedges until they have a crisp exterior with a soft interior, then set them aside. Ngayon sizzle na natin ang mga sliced hot dogs hanggang they're sizzling with flavor and perfectly cooked. Next sunod na natin i-fry ang mga sliced bell pepper, then set them aside. Using the same pan maglagay ng butter, then maggisa tayo ng sliced red onions at minced garlic, then saute for a few seconds. Once the aroma fills the air, we can now add our chopped chicken, haluin ng mabuti hanggang kumapit ang flavors ng mga aromatics natin. Ngayon mag-add na tayo ng fish sauce habang ginigisa natin ang ating mga manok, at syempre maglalagay na rin tayo ng ground black pepper, haluin ng mabuti, at takpan natin ito and let it simmer for few minutes. Now, let's do a quick check. Kapag naging ganito na ang itsura ng manok, oras na para ilagay ang mabangong mga dahon ng laurel and add a generous sprinkle of ground black pepper, haluin ito ng mabuti, at takpan natin muli, and let it simmer until it tantalizingly releases its succulent juices and rich fats. Ngayon nagkatas na ang ating manok, pwede na natin ilagay ang mga fried na patatas, bottom mushrooms, at evaporated milk, give it a gentle swirl, and let it simmer in medium-low heat. Now that our sauce has come to a boil, pwede na natin ilagay ang mga fried hot dogs and the bell peppers into the mixture. To enhance the creaminess of our dish, to elevate the creamy indulgence, we generously shower our creation with a cascade of grated cheese, stirring until it surrenders to its molten destiny. Our chicken pot pie is now complete and ready to be enjoyed.